Good morning, my beautiful family. Join us as we discuss pride and its effects in marriages. Remember that most families today are broken not because of hatred, but because nobody wants to bend, which is caused by pride. Whenever you hear, "I am right," they should tell me sorry first. I owe no one any explanation. Just know that pride is speaking. Pride is leading. How does this pride we are talking about start in marriage? Listen attentively. This pride starts silently in the hearts. When you cannot accept your mistake, when you feel that you are too big to err, when you think you owe no one explanation, then know that the pride is already starting in the hearts. Do you also know what pride is doing to your marriage? Listen attentively. Pride will turn a home that's normally filled with laughter into silence, into conflicts, and keep you silent instead of apologizing. It makes couples drift apart, which when children notice the tension, love will slowly fade away. Mind you that pride brings multiple arguments where you don't believe that you are wrong, where you always shout that you are right, knowing fully well that you are wrong. Pride will also make you to stay quietly in your home just because you don't want to apologize, just because you are claiming right. But I want to throw this question on you. Have you ever stayed quietly in your home without apologizing because of pride? Do you also know that your partner may prefer to be nice to you, act lovingly, and suddenly become calm instead of apologizing? How do you take that? Do you find it funny? And this type of spouse, their mindset will be like, my action should speak louder than my words. You know the pain of being offended, and you have been waiting for your partner to acknowledge his faults or her faults and come and render appropriate apology. What you'll be seeing that your partner will suddenly start acting nice, start acting calmly without apologizing. Tell yourself the truth. How do you take it as a man, as a woman? So, Oga, Madam, doing everything good, acting calmly suddenly, does not show proper apology. You have not rendered proper apology. You see, all these things you are doing is called pride. Pride is still controlling you. Because if not, what is holding you from saying I'm sorry? You know the meaning of I'm sorry. It's a small word but powerful words. So the meaning of I'm sorry here is I take responsibility of my actions. I acknowledge my faults and I am ready to make an amend. So if you have the courage, the boldness to say I am sorry, it implies that you are not ready to offend your partner again. Although some people will still say I am sorry and go behind to do the same act again. But let's leave that one behind. So if you didn't see yourself saying I am sorry, know that pride is in you. Pride is controlling you. If you didn't see yourself explaining your mistakes, acknowledging your faults, my dear, pride. And what can pride do to you? It will make you look like a fool. You have to understand that good words or action does not bring clarity. Good behavior does not totally say I am sorry. It does not totally say I know I am hurting you. No, but words can explain better. Words can heal the wounds. Do not neglect the power of apology. And also, I would like you to understand that without words, the offended is left guessing. You know what this means? Will this man do this again? Is he really sorry for his actions? You see, but once you state it categorically that you are wrong, your spouse will forgive you open-minded and will overlook your mistakes. I know your actions are good, but I prefer I am sorry. So tell your partner that you are sorry, then back it up with good actions. Please subscribe to our channels and do well to share this video to get to the families. Thank you so much.